Motorcycle Racing Videos, MRV.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, race fans that are here in Macomb, it's a real tribute to this racetrack that we have people come. We've got some guests here. If I say your name, would you please raise your hand? David Armstrong, where are you at? David's right there. Jamie's right there. Todd Pulowski. Todd's right there. Rhett Stanton. Rhett. Tom Armstrong. Mark Kirkman, where you at? And Matt Passon. Ladies and gentlemen, these people are here from Griffith, Australia. And what we'd like to do is welcome them to the United States of America. They're here for the Amateur National Championships coming up in Springfield. They got into the country Wednesday. They said, what are we going to do? They said, where are we racing at? Somebody said they're racing in Macomb. They said, we've never raced a racetrack that's got jumps in it like this. From what I can see in practice, I think our American friends here have got their hands full for the kids from down under.
Rhett Stanton.
And where are you from?
Griffith, New South Wales, in Australia.
How many years have you been racing?
5.
How many wins have you had?
Not many major ones, but I've won a few locals and yeah.
Who are your sponsors?
I don't really have any major sponsors, just little ones and stuff.
Is this your first time to the United States?
I came last year for a holiday, but that's all.
Where did you go then?
Down in California, Disneyland and stuff. That was pretty fun.
Oh, that's great. That's beautiful there.
Yeah, it is.
Now, how did you get these bikes to the United States?
We packed them up in a crate and flew them over.
Did you have to do that yourself?
Oh, I wasn't there. I was at school, but yeah, they all got together and packed them up.
Did they make you take all the fuel out and everything before you did that?
Yep, completely drain them out.
What about oil in the transmission? Did they have any problem with that?
No, I don't think so.
That's not a problem?
I'm not real sure.
Oh, you're not sure? So how do you like it here? Have people been treating you real well here?
Yeah, really good.
Where did you come into Chicago?
Yep.
Did you get to visit Chicago while you were there?
We saw a bit, but yeah, we were driving around, took a tour for a day.
Okay, well, thank you very much.
Thanks.